Okay, listen, I have just come across a great, fantastic new remedy for dieting. And I have found these control buttons that I did not know existed. And I realized that I was on the proper side of the mirror. This thing records that. And I thought about it. I said, well, I noticed it because when I reached to my right, I touched my left. And I decided to eat some supper. And I was alone, and I'm still alone, and realized that I'll be feeding the wrong side of the mirror at the table when I'm among others here, even though I'm alone. But you watch me, don't you? You hear me, don't you? Well, if I'm sitting here at the table eating with everything going on the wrong side of the table, as I am, I'd be feeding one of y'all. Now that's why y'all getting so big, probably. If you go to your tool settings and just flip horizontal, you can sit with yourself and eat instead of being on the wrong side of the table. Cause indigestion too. Keep you from passing a bug to another. It's just a matter of thinking. Maybe it'd be a matter of reviewing your own mind. Nonsense is nonsense. I'm not telling you to go along with me, but if you like a little nonsense with your meal instead of something really heavy, and you just feel like sitting down enjoying company, and look at the idea. We don't know. Heck, you really know what goes on the other side of the table. Could be that way, it could not be that way. See, this is the power to choose. This is our idea and opportunity to prove the outer limits. Where we are in control. We do have the ability to control ourselves. And I don't know whether or not I'm unanimous with others, but I would prefer to let them control themselves. If you agree with me, or if you disagree with me, you get the opportunity and the passion that when you wake up, find out you did agree originally, change your mind. You may return and still be welcome as long as you maintain your control. That's a good reason to put me in control, wasn't it? Okay. This has just been a little bit of fun topic I thought I'd present to the interested. The not interested, the hateful, the grudge keepers, the gatekeepers, key holders, the fantasy land goers, the drama heavy, and the sleepers. And one word of advice, suggestive. You should not sit on your bed, prop yourself up, and lay back, or turn on your side and try to eat. Because your esophageal passage, see, and your epiglottal tract, well, they argue. And it's a good idea to remain upright in a position that is, as Tommy Jackson would put it, in alignment. Lemon drop. I'm just having a grand time. I'm doing fine. I'm sitting on my own side of the table. So I feel like I'm not occupying somebody else's chair, because that's the highest chair in the house. I can be easily told to get down from it. A prayer on God's own behalf. And Mary's blessing.